Pop on YouTube, welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs.
And very good morning everyone. Hope you guys like the Himalayan review. Guys have been messaging, commenting quite a lot about that bike, and after that bike you guys are actually asking for the Dominar 400.
Dominar 400 Husqvarna and also the Royal Enfield, the twin cylinders.
Yeah, the Continental 650
So
or the
as and when possible, we'll definitely do it. And we've got
Dominar is actually on the line, so
yeah, Dominar is
probably
we've already
in the next few vlogs the Dominar video will be live.
Yes.
And by saying this, I've got a small parcel. It's actually an accessory for the Africa Twin. Let's unbox this. I'll show you what it is and where it goes.
Mutko accessory, yeah. This was actually a gift, or you had to pay for it, or what? And
I have to pay for it. I still do not pay for it.
Ah.
He sent it across.
We'll just unbox this, we'll show you what this is, and we'll tell you what the program is. Partly it's going to be this, going to the well, it's a very small piece. I'll tell you why we can't fix it at home as well.
Things will actually deflect the wind which come onto your shoulders, but I'm pretty sure Itta Choto Wala will do nothing, and they just look cool on the bike.
Okay, before anything else, what I wanted to ask, I'm pretty sure you guys must be thinking, why can't you fix it? Two bolts hai, simple lag raha hai. But the problem with this is there are markings also on the fairing where it goes, but the fairing has to be drilled. Again, if you unfortunately crack the fairing, you are done. So ye chutko se things leke we are going to the showroom. That is one thing which we are doing today. And the second thing is we are actually kind of something for the fitness side.
Do you remember a couple of months ago we showed you this canvas? This is a 5 feet by 5 feet canvas. The work is finally in progress, and look at it. It's huge.
Again, as you guys can see, this is going to be a deep blue. Lot more coats are supposed to come to make it look perfect. But yes, look at how amazing that is. And we are not joking, Srujan is actually standing. Yeah, people on Instagram must have seen this. This is the Ford Mustang Shelby, I should say, Shelby GT. And
500 GT.
yeah, 500, 550, whatever. Obviously, this is very beautiful. But the old Mustang will look off the charts if Shraddha can actually paint it.
I'm getting it painted for my room. That is one of my favorite cars, the original Mustang. Nicolas Cage wala car.
Gone in 60 seconds
Gone in
movie.
60 second Nicolas Cage.
So, okay, I didn't know the Srijan was getting it done. But yeah, we'll show it to you if Srijan is getting it done. It looks fab, dude. Well, that car is rad. We've always been telling you guys to learn something new whenever possible. Again, and most of us are employing work from home right now. So now is the time for each and every one of us to learn something new which we've always been longing for.
By saying this, we're actually very happy to partner with Skillshare, an online platform where you can learn new hobbies or deepen your existing passions.
And coming to Skillshare, it is an online learning community where you can embark on your creative journeys with thousands and thousands of inspiring classes on various fields, whatever you like. Again, just to name a few, it is fine arts, music, film, video, freelancing, entrepreneurship, and there are many, many more as well.
Like we started vlogging and painting in the recent past, you can also start learning something new which you are actually interested in. To be honest, even for us, there is still a lot to learn, especially in the editing department. So we have joined in a class in Adobe Premiere from beginning to pro by Eric Elikinov, where we are actually enhancing our own skills by learning new and easy ways by industry leading experts.
Very, very true on that. Again, what is the annual subscription? It is less than 2,400 rupees. So which translates to less than 200 rupees a month technically. And what do you get for that? Immense knowledge at price of less than 2 liters of petrol. Such premium ad-free content at such attractive prices. There is a lot for you to learn.
And also we have a special offer for you guys. For the first 1,000 subscribers who actually click the link down in the description will get 1 month free trial. So what are you waiting for?
Absolutely. Now is the time for you guys to do what you've been waiting for or wanting for such a long time. Become a member on Skillshare.
How the bike looks without the winglets. And somewhere close to this line, we'll have this. Looks cool, huh?
For me, it looks the same.
And it looks better.
Okay, let's see whatever Srijan likes, he likes.
You showed me how to dance love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
So we have given the bike in Big Wing, and probably they're actually slightly a little busy, and the bike will be done in another 1.5 to 2 hours. So meanwhile we are planning to go to the sports shop, Sachdev Sports, to buy dumbbells and chest rods.
Lot of stuff. ये कार में fit हो गया. If it was any smaller car, I don't think it would have fit in it properly, no?
We had to fold on the rear seats.
Yeah.
You know the hardest part?
Taking all these
Yeah,
and putting it on the second floor car pe. So that's going to be a struggle as well. You were huffing and puffing to get it downstairs.
Even the bike is almost done then.
Yeah. So let's go.
Let's go. We'll show you guys how it looks, and it looks good according to me.
Let's see. I will tell you.
You didn't notice the difference, but I like it.
How does it look? No different. It is invisible for me almost. Susan loved it. That's good. As long as he's happy, we are happy, right? Whatever was recorded on the GoPro, there was absolute zero audio. So we are having to do this again. Oh boy, how irritating is that?
Insta was not working. Now GoPro का कुछ काम चल रहा है. I guess you
Maybe
did not
yeah,
connect
did
the
not
correct-
connect the wires properly.
So we've got the winglets here.
And what? Agu has come by himself?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So CRF 1000L, that's the name of the bike. Not here though. So we got both the winglets. Technically, these winglets, they actually deflect wind which comes on your shoulders. But I'm not sure. I just got them fixed only for the aesthetic purpose. They look really cool.
So functionality, we will look at it how well that is done.
And also we have to get the visor. I'm planning to get another visor. If I'm getting another visor, I'll get it tinted in this shade, thoda sa. And the previous number plate was holding here, and now we've shifted to this place. Getting the bike PPF done really soon. And I spoke to the team at Big Wing. I want to tune the suspension and make it slightly firmer. And you guys saw the wobble which happens to the front end, right? I want to mitigate that. You see these black parts, the engine guards? I want them painted powder coated white. What do you guys suggest?
I'm saying no. Srijan wants it white. I want it to be black because black looks more subtle. White will
Be out there.
Yeah, be out there. It'll be beyond be out there. So it's going to be. So
It'll
let's
look
see.
good. It'll look good with the white hand guards and all.
Let's see. If you want that, we'll get it done. There's a monkey up there, and Aggu and Shraddha are out there. Shraddha didn't see the monkey, and she went to throw something in the dustbin. That's the monkey there, and Shraddha went to throw something in that garbage bin to the left. She didn't realize that there was a monkey there. Madness. Shraddha, take Aggu away from there, no? Yeah. Finally, we've put all the weights up. That is why I'm sweating so much. Srijan's phone is with me. I need to take this and I need to take this camera and go upstairs and show you guys.
Tested. Done. By the time we got everything up, dead. This is the old machine, by the way. It was in our grandma's place. So we got this.
Okay, that machine was Srijan is showing you weighs 350 kilos. It was not got by us. Impossible by two people to lift 350. At least should I say normal people to lift 350 kgs and get it 2 floors up. A lot of people who came in to lift that and get it here. And the mats what you see are actually Aggu's play mats. And Aggu is not using them, so we've taken. And do you know one thing? I don't know how well the audio has been recorded on the GoPro because it stopped functioning after some time. So let's see. You guys will know it.
Dark. Just sitting against the light.
Yeah. Alright, so these are the stuff which we bought. We bought a bench. And we bought, these mats are surprisingly heavy.
कहाँ place करेंगे इनको?
यहाँ पे.
That area itself.
Yeah. So we'll set up everything and we'll come back to you. What's it?
Yeah. 10 minutes. Almost done. Everything has been lifted. We just have to set it up. After a lot of arranging, rearranging, there were a few chairs there. Had to remove them. We got the treadmill inside as well. This is how our small gym room looks.
Treadmill here, we have a aerobic step.
there. This is actually a flat bench. That will come here. We've got 10 kg, 7.5, 4, 5, 2.5 kg plates. We've got what is this? Push-up rod. We've got this machine. It's a very old machine. We can do flies, chest press, shoulder pull down. I'm sorry, lat pull down.
Blah blah blah.
Leg extension, and there is a spinning cycle there.
And we have a few more dumbbells here and rods. So basically that's our setup. We've kind of done, it's not the greatest looking setup obviously. Because you can't hit the gym now because of whatever reasons. Ghar wale mana kar rahe. So we're going to make it more aesthetically better looking maybe at a later stage. But for now this is how it's going to be. Functional because nobody is using this room. This is basically a guest bedroom and there are no guests around. They can still be here, and Shraddha's canvas is here as well. So
The only problem with this room is there's no AC. You're going to sweat a lot more while working out.
you have a good view as well when you actually in this room of that and the lake there. So this is where I would say that we're going to end this video. Please start something new, I would say, again, and we have a great platform to learning that, and I'm really happy to be partnering with them as well. We are absolutely tired today. I'm very hungry. I actually told this fellow that we'll eat something on the way back, and this fellow didn't want me to stop. He wanted to come and finish the video and whatever. So I'm just dead hungry. I just need to eat something.
So I need to sit and edit the entire video. Probably it will be like tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
Yes. See you in the next one, guys. Till then, bye. Love you all. Take care.